Went up super early today. Slight chance of some slick roads, but by this point, such a small amount fell that it's really not an issue.
Yeah, so my mom has taken the stance in her 70s that she will not drive in any version of snow.
Whatever happens.
So yeah, so she was over last night, and I was like, well, you better go home.
Yeah,
because the snow's coming. And she texted me and she said, it just started to snow, and I said, I'm glad you survived this blizzard.
It's a good thing you're her son.
Yes,
then.
well,
you're able to navigate all that.
I wouldn't go that far, but I do. I can help with advance. And the next forecast that Betty is worried about is Thursday night, because she's got a social event then. Yeah. So we'll get there in a second. Her calendar has really been filling up lately. It's honestly, I can say this seriously, Brian, she has more going on. Like, she has more social events than I do. Yeah, it's apparently. It won't be for me. Nobody likes me. Here's a look at the visible satellite. We've got a mixture of sun and clouds out there. More sun across central and northern Maine. Current temps popping up there. 42 in Portland, 46 in Buxton right now, and 40 in Gray. So we'll see a lot of mid-40s through this afternoon. Across central and northern Maine, we're closer to 40 flat, but it's still a nice afternoon, and a lot of us are melting the snow that we got. Highest reports, by the way, about 1.5 inches for that snow, and it was right around Lewiston and up into Augusta as well, where they got the highest amount of snow, but it wasn't all that much. Tonight is not all that cold. We spend most of it in the mid and upper 30s, get down to around freezing by tomorrow morning. Tomorrow's a fine day through the first half of the day at least, and then here comes our system on Thursday afternoon. So here we are at 3 o'clock. The models disagree a little on the initial temperature along the coastline. So I still think we could see some flakes along the coast, but I am not anticipating we're really going to have any problems there. Head farther inland, it starts as snow and sleet, and this is during the evening commute on Thursday. And it's snow and sleet, rain along the coast at that point by the late afternoon, early evening. And then that rain snow line just keeps marching into the foothills, mountains, and even into northern Maine by early Friday morning. It's only going to be probably northern Aroostook County that stays all snow. And then the system gets out of here, and by Friday morning, look at these temperatures. We're popping into the upper 40s and low 50s on Friday afternoon. So even though we will see some accumulating snow, I don't think it'll be super impactful, except for that evening commute tomorrow where we'll see some snow flying. So this map I started yesterday, and Todd made it a little warmer, and I think that's the right call because the models have trended that way. And so we've pushed all these zones back to the northwest a bit, including the foothills and mountains in 3 to 6. And really the best chance of that 6 is going to be into Aroostook County. After that, we have what could be an active pattern, or it is an active pattern, but the storms aren't really connecting with us. So one misses us over the weekend, and you'll see it slide to the south, but it's a pretty big storm system. It tries to hang around into Monday of next week too, and just watch this thing. And the reason I'm showing it to you is because it looks like it's going to stay to our south and east, but it's pretty close. I mean, it's got the precip shield here Sunday night into Cape Cod, so it's a big storm too. So I think we'll continue to watch that Sunday night, Monday. I think it's going to go out to sea, but let's just keep a little eye on that. Offshore storm, that's a good way to put it. And then if it's an offshore storm, then we'll let you know. But in the meantime,
change everything.
And that's kind of how next week looks. It looks like there's a couple of storms that at this time are going to stay just to our south. If that all shifts, though, we get a busy week next week. My sense is it probably won't. I think we're okay. But it's I like it to be farther than that to write it off completely.
All right. Something else to watch.
Yep.
Sounds good. Keith, thanks.